Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see how to turn off Amber Alerts on iPhone. If you have recently bought an iPhone or moving from Android to iPhone and started receiving SMS notifications and other system-wide notifications related to Amber Alerts, then this video will quickly help you to fix that problem. Navigate to Settings application and then to Notification settings. Scroll to the last, you will see the Government Alerts section. This section will be different according to the country you are in and the App Store configuration or country region settings that you have set for your Apple ID and the device. So here the Amber Alerts America's Missing Broadcast Emergency Response feature is only available for the USA region. So along with the Amber Alerts, you will also receive any emergency alerts, government and public safety alerts on your iPhone in the event for a particular area or a city. And of course, if the government is pushing any statewide or nationwide alerts, that will also be sent via this option. As I'm from India, I'm seeing a different set of options here. You can see that under the government alert section, I have only test alerts and next the always read out option is there. If you're from different country, according to the rules set by the National Disaster Management Systems, the iPhone will show different set of options and toggles related to that. So for example, if you are from USA and if you are receiving that Amber Alerts on your iPhone, simply in this section you will see the Amber Alerts as the first toggle and you can simply turn it off to stop receiving Amber Alerts on your iPhone. This of course turns off any notifications of a missing child or a missing person or any elderly people in your area. So I hope you understand why you are turning it off. According to that, you can decide whether to toggle that off or not. The next important thing is the emergency alerts will let you to turn on and off the local awareness feature, which is again important for the Amber Alerts to work. So other than any natural disaster events happening in your area, it is also important to keep the emergency alerts feature on. If you are receiving SMS notification, any short message service notification, then of course you can decide whether to keep this feature off and any system level notification is required or SIM number level notification is required or not. Here in this screenshot, you can see for Japan users, you can see a different set of option where according to the government regulations, if it is related to the tsunami, earthquake and other natural disaster event alerts that have to be sent in advance to the users in particular country, then this government alerts section will have different set of options. So I hope it helped you to understand why you are not seeing Amber Alerts on your iPhone. If you are traveling from different country to USA and started receiving Amber Alerts, then make sure that your Apple ID and country region settings of the device is set to USA, and then you will start to see different set of options here, and then you can turn off Amber Alerts from this section if you want to. If you find this information useful, for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips, don't forget to subscribe. And we have recently launched our exclusive iPhone wallpapers collection in our Daily Touch store. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first comment. If you like to check it out, visit the link. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.